Welcome to today's video tour. As you can see, we are at Bentley Residences here in Sunny Isles Beach. Today, I'm going to show you all the exclusive homes and residences that this project has to offer. This is the very first Bentley Residences in the world. My name is Stefania Mogollon. I'm a luxury real estate agent here in South Florida and Miami. If you want to contact me, don't forget that all my information is going to be down on the description box. I hope you really enjoyed this tour, and don't forget to put in the comments what your thoughts are. With approximately 749 feet tall, Bentley Residences is currently set to be the tallest U.S. oceanfront building and the first Bentley branded residential tower in the world. The 63-story building will feature 216 units with sweeping ocean views, a slew of amenities, and an elevator designed to take residents up to their doorstep while seated inside their cars. This tower will be located in Sunny Isles Beach, considered one of Florida's most beautiful and sought-out places. And it's no wonder that in some circles it's known as the Riviera of Florida. Sunny Isles is renowned for its opulence and attracts an abundance of millionaire and billionaire residents, creating an atmosphere of fortune and classiness. But the best part of living in Sunny Isles is undoubtedly its stunning beaches. With miles of pristine white sand and crystal clear waters, you can swim, sunbathe, or go kayaking any day of the week. The architect's ingenious inspiration, Charles Seeger, was to shatter conventional norms, creating a remarkable living experience where residents can go up to their homes with their own car and have the experience of a single-family residence but elevated in the sky. This innovative design allows individuals to step out of their cars and walk directly into their homes. Stepping into the residences, you're gonna feel a sense of elegance, luxury, and exclusive design on each one of the homes. You can also purchase a unit with Bentley exclusive furniture, chairs, couches, and everything else. As you can see, the atmosphere is unique. The back of this living room area is directly connected to your private garage and car elevator, providing a convenient and secure way to access your vehicles. On the other side, we will see that the front of the living room connects to the large and spacious terrace, which is fully covered and have its own jacuzzi and barbecue area. These large windows and sliding doors also allow abundant light to the unit, providing an incredible indoor-outdoor living experience and comfort to your home. One of the unique features about this exclusive kitchen is that you have a hidden panel to have a more sleek, clutter-free kitchen. Only with the push of a button, you can have your kitchen revealed. And just like that, you have all your indoor cabinetry for the kitchen. And if you want it hidden, you just press the button again. Towards this side, you also have an espresso machine to have a delicious coffee every morning. You also have your own wine cooler to preserve your favorite drinks and wines and enjoy with your guests or family. Top of the line appliances, wood cabinetry, and much more. All the elegance and style and design that you want, you have it here at Bentley Residences. Stepping into the master bedroom with these floor-to-ceiling windows, bringing all the light that Sunny Isles has to offer into your own room. Now, I want to show you your own at-home spa. This bathroom has all the features that any spa will have. You have your own sauna in each of the units, just like this one. Also, your own warm-up towel cabinet so you have warm towels and fresh all day long, as well as a in-mirror reflective TV, so you can keep up to date with everything that's going on while you get ready in the morning. Another feature that we have here at Bentley Residences is its own parking garage with an elevator that goes all the way up to your home, so that you can go up with your vehicle to your own residences just like it was your own regular one family house. Here we can see an example. Some of the units have capacity for 1, 2, or 3 vehicles at a time. It all depends on which one you will like, but all of them have this feature. Before we continue with the terrace and the amenities of the building, let me know your thoughts about having your own car elevator in your house. Can you envision yourself living this experience in the Bentley Residences? Leave me a comment down below. Now, let's step outside to one of my favorite parts of these residences. In these homes here at Bentley, you can enjoy up to 14 feet deep terraces, enjoying an indoor and outdoor living with this magnificent ocean view in Sunny Isles Beach. In some of the oceanfront homes, you can enjoy also your private pool, just like this one, and your barbecue area. So that's why this is called an indoor-outdoor living, or pretty much your own private backyard. Here you can enjoy a beautiful afternoon tea or lunch or dinner with your family and friends and entertain all your guests. As you can see, you can put a table that seats up to 8 to 12 guests, a seating area, and much more. Now, let's talk about the amenities that Bentley Residences has to offer. From the lobby bar and restaurant to the state-of-the-art indoor fitness center, this building has everything you need to live a life of luxury. The private dining room for 16 people at the mezzanine level is perfect for hosting dinner parties, while the movie theater with plush seatings for up to 14 people, it's the ideal spot for a cozy movie night. The game room featuring golf and racing simulators and virtual reality stations is sure to provide hours of entertainment for you and your guests. And for those who prefer a more relaxed space, like myself, the oceanfront beauty salon, an expansive revitalization spa, and outdoor yoga studio are the perfect places to unwind and rejuvenate. All this and more you will find in Bentley Residences. Thank you for joining me on this luxurious tour of the Bentley Residences condo unit. With its own car elevator and a wealth of amenities, this residential tower is the epitome of refined living. If you're interested in this or any other property in Miami and South Florida, don't hesitate to contact me. All my information is in the description box down below. And I'll see you on the next one.